viewers, today I am going to tell you how to copy the text into the Google form with your downloaded document file or the file that you have made in your device. Now first of all, open the Google form. Now after this, open the document file that you have downloaded or made in the device by using any document app. Now select the text that you want to copy into the document. Now press and hold the text. With the help of these pointers, select the text that you want to copy, and after this tap on the copy option. Now after tapping on the copy option, again open the Google form and select an appropriate option in the Google form where you want to copy the text. Now tap and hold the text area and tap on the paste option. When you tap on the paste option, your selected text will be copied into the Google form from your document. You can make any type of question in Google form by copying the text from the document. Suppose I want to make a fill in the blanks question. So as you can see, I have copied the text from the document into my Google form. Now if I want to add a question into the fill in the blanks, you have to tap on the plus button that is present at the bottom of the Google form and select short answer questions. Now after this, open your document and copy the question for the fill in the blanks from the document and paste it on the text area. You can make this field as required. You can also create MCQ questions in the Google form. Again, you have to tap on the plus button and select multiple choice option. After this, open the document again and select the question for the MCQ. Copy the text again and paste the text into the text area of the MCQ. Now in MCQ, if you want to add the options, tap on the option area, open the document, select the text, copy it and paste on the option area. After copying all the options from the document, you can create the MCQ. You can also mark this MCQ as required. You can also copy the short answer and long answer question in the Google form. First of all, open the Google form and select the option short answer if you are making a short answer question or paragraph if you are making a long answer question. Suppose I am making a short answer question. Open the document from where you want to copy the short answer question. Select the short answer question from the document, copy it and paste it in the text area. You can make this also as required field. So in this way, you can create any type of questions in the Google form by copying the text from the document. After copying contents in the Google form, you can easily convert this Google form into a quiz. Now for that, you have to tap on the three vertical dots and select the setting option. Now in the setting option, you have to tap on the quizzes. Make this button enable and tap on save. Now go to your question and select the question for the quiz. Now the question that you have selected, this contains the answer section. Give your points to the question and select the answer that is to be marked correctly. And after giving points and selection of the answer, tap on the done button. So in this way, you can create the quiz in the Google form.